It's got to be on one of the fronts. Has to be.
With the 9th pick in the 2015 NFL Draft, the New York Giants select Ereck Flowers, tackle, Miami.
Well, it's in the position, one of the positions that we thought. I'm sure that they were upset that Scherf, the new Scherf in town in the division, but unfortunately for the Giants, he went to Washington. And so now here is Flowers as the Giants try to, well, Eli was on his butt too often also. Wait.
I love this pick. This is a powerful young man for the Miami Hurricanes. Will Beattie's been the left tackle of the Giants. I think Flowers is going to add some pop to their running game. He'll improve as a pass protector the more he plays. But the Giants just saw the Redskins get Brandon Sheriff. Dallas has Tyron Smith. There's Jason Peters in Philadelphia, and Tom Coughlin says, we got to get a left tackle as well. This is a nasty, physical, tenacious young prospect, Mel. I really like this pick. He's a prototype New York Giant.
Extremely talented kid, 6'6 and a quarter, 330 pounds, super long arms, 37 reps. But I think he is still raw, and I think there's questions about what position he's going to settle into. I think he'll be overmatched at left tackle. Right tackle could be his spot, but he needs pass protection work. Technically, he is very raw, Lewis, and he needs time. I know he's a guy with enormous upside. I had him in the 20s. They reached a little bit in terms of my board, but you're reaching for a kid has that high ceiling.
Yeah, this is all about getting a certain body type and a certain playing personality back on your football team so you can wind up being the dominant bully again, once again, in the NFC East, and that's what he is. You're absolutely right, Mel. I mean, from a technical perspective, the first thing you've noticed about him is the wide hands, the punch. He's constantly letting people into his chest, but the fact of the matter is, in college, he could get away with that. At the pros, he's not going to be able to get away with it. That's why people probably think he needs to be inside that offensive guard. But you're getting the body type, you're getting the mentality, exactly what they need.